Hey, it's Alex from Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. And today we're in the studio to take a close-up look at the Westin HDX rear bumper for the 2015 to 17 Ford F-150. Now we'll put the link to this product in the show description, and you can shop for this at Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum on every product. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because we're going to be doing an install video next. Now, if you've been shopping for aftermarket bumpers for your truck, you already know that there's an almost endless number of options out there now. And some of the prices can range from $800 to over $3,500, depending on the brand and the manufacturer and the features that are included. Now, we chose this bumper for our F-150 because at this price point, for under $1,400, the specifications are pretty much on par with some of the best products out there. Now, we paired this with the Westin ProMod Series front bumper and the HDX side steps from Westin, both of which we've made separate product spotlight and installation guide videos, and we'll put the links to those in the description. Now let's take a look at some of the specifications that make this product stand out. As we mentioned with the front bumper, we went with the ProMod Series bumper. Now that's a modular bumper that bolts together and gives it a really unique look. But in the rear, we wanted to go with a one-piece construction. We didn't mind mix and matching these appearances. Now the way they do the one-piece bumper is it's one giant piece of steel that is cut, stamped, and then seamlessly welded, minimizing the amount of welds that you see and giving it that one solid piece appearance. Westin even goes as far as, instead of using like a plastic badge for the HDX branding, they actually laser cut HDX right into each side of the bumper. Now, of course, any off-road bumper is going to have to be tough to stand up to the punishment you're planning to throw at it, so Westin uses 7-gauge steel for this whole bumper. Now, that's almost a 1/4 inch thick. It makes it heavy, but definitely very, very durable. And instead of 3/4 inch D-ring mounts like you're going to find on a lot of competing products, they use a 1-inch D-ring mount, so this thing is really built to take some serious punishment. And of course, the whole thing is then finished in matte black powder coating. And lastly, like any Westin product, the installation is going to be really easy and straightforward, and it's going to bolt right up to your stock mounting points. It also is going to allow you to keep your stock functionality, which you really want, including your towing connections, your spare tire crank access hole, as well as holes for where you can transfer in your reverse sensors. Now, additional functionality includes these 1-inch D-ring mounts, license plate lights, and then my favorite, because the reverse lights on the F-150 definitely suck, is these 2 high-power 6-inch LED lights, which can be hooked into your reverse lights or on a separate switch and turn night and day for when you're backing up. All right, that wraps up our product spotlight video for the Westin HDX rear bumper for the Ford F-150. Now, this is complementing our ProMod Series front bumper and our HDX side steps, and we've got product spotlight and install videos for all of these on our channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel for all of our future videos. Of course, you can shop for this at Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. Thanks for watching.